you could have been anywhere for 10 years and got 30 years worth of lessons. Having to navigate through some generational challenges in the real estate market, particularly as it relates to the economic consequences of COVID and the rapid volatility and interest rate and everything that came with it. I think having projects at different points in the development cycle really forced you to have to exercise your muscles in terms of being able to deal with those challenges. And as it relates to residential real estate, one of the biggest things we learned is how different demographic patterns and migration trends and the dynamic between supply and demand are in most major U.S. markets relative to Canada. In Canada, we have this giant supply gap. We talk about it all the time. Migration trends and immigration trends tend to push people into our major metros, of which there are only 2 or 3.
Sure.
So for that reason, the demand side is compounding and the supply side can never keep up. The U.S., on the other hand, has 40 major metros that have over 2 million people in them. And that gives people a lot of choice. Mm-hmm. And it gives companies and multinationals also a lot of choice. We learned that amidst all the volatility that we saw in the world, we saw very stable rents and we saw very stable occupancies in the multifamily space.